Hello everyone, I'm Bella, owner of BellasBeautySuite here in Newark, New Jersey. So today we're going to be filming a natural glam with mink eyelashes. We're not really doing too much because it's what my client requested, so please stay tuned for the finished look. As you can see here, I'm cleaning up my client's eyebrows. It's going to give a nice clean look in the end. I bought this eyebrow razor from Family Dollar. You can also buy it from Walmart, beauty supply store, or your local Sally's. Right here I am using Pond's moisturizer. I really love massaging my client's face with Pond's moisturizer because it gives them a nice dewy look and a finish, and it looks so good. It looks so skin-like. Love it. So the way I found her foundation, I skin matched her chest because her chest is slightly darker than her neck. So I didn't want to use her neck, and then now her neck and her face have the same skin tone and her chest would be too dark. So what I did was I used a darker shade that's matching her chest, and I'm going to apply the concealer that's closer to her neck. That way her skin just looks even. I am using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Sand and Tan. Just a little of the tan, not too much, but as you can see here, the concealer is matching her neck. Once I start blending and towards the end, you're going to see how the concealer and the foundation plays a big part in matching her chest. When I blend, you can see that I'm using a patting motion. I'm not swiping, because once you swipe, you're deducting the product away from the area that you're trying to cover. To contour the nose, I'm using the same foundation that I applied onto her face. I am not going to use a darker shade. I'm just going to use the same because I want everything to look very natural. To set her face, I use Laura Mercier translucent powder. Remember, I'm just patting it in. I am not swiping. I'm just pat, pat, pat. Right here I am using Juvia's Place Bronze Duo Bronzer in the shade Tan and Dark. For the brows, I like to brush the hairs in place. I like to add a little translucent powder and go in with the L'Oreal eyebrow pencil in the shade brunette and dark. And I also like to use the beauty supply store eyebrow pencil. Right here I am concealing the eyebrows using the same concealers I used before, but this time I'm only using Tan Deep Sand instead of tan. I set the eyelids with translucent powder, and now I'm adding a little 2O glue to the brows just to keep the brow hairs in place. And I'm going back in with my Juvia's Place bronzer palette. Right here I am using Beauty by Melissa eyeshadow palette. I don't remember what this shade of purple is, but it's a really nice purple. I used a Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I also went ahead and applied my brand lashes. I love them so much. They're wispy. The band is not too thick. I will definitely have a link below so you guys can purchase. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited to be doing this so often. I've been wanting to do this for years, and this is the finished look. My client has the most beautiful smile, and she doesn't want to smile, but she was so shy, but it's okay. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will have a detailed video coming soon. So much love from Bella's Beauty Suite.